Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Deepika from Insight. Today I'm here with a new OET Part B reading exercise. So watch the video. Here's the question. You have 2 minutes to find the answer. Time's up. I hope you found the answer. So, let's check it. The question asks, when is it permissible to locate a baby's identification band somewhere other than the ankles? So, it's given that the identification bands should be located on the baby's ankles with correct identification details unless the baby is extremely premature or immediate vascular access is required. This means if the baby is extremely premature or when immediate vascular access is required, the identification bands could be removed from the ankles. And in such cases, the removed bands should be relocated to the wrists, or, if this is not possible, it should be fixed visibly to the inside of the incubator. Now, if we compare the options, option A says it's permissible when the baby is being moved due to an emergency. But this is wrong, as moving the baby because of emergency is not given in the text. Only immediate vascular access or immediate treatment is mentioned. Option B says it's permissible when the bands may interfere with treatment. This is matching, as the bands should be removed from the ankles if vascular access is required because the band may interfere with the treatment. Option C says it's permissible when the baby is in an incubator. Again, this information is not given. The incubator is only mentioned to show where the band needs to be fixed when it cannot be relocated to the wrist. So, the correct answer is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Stay tuned to Insight for more OET content. Thank you for watching.